You open your laptop, scroll past another headline about someone making thousands with AI, and close it again. It feels too easy to be real. If AI could really create income with so little effort, everyone would already be rich. So why do the same stories keep appearing? The answer isn't luck, and it isn't genius. The real answer is much stranger, and it has almost nothing to do with AI. Long before computers existed, your brain was already obsessed with one goal: spending as little energy as possible. That sounds like laziness, but it isn't. It's survival. Researchers Wouter Kuhl and Matthew Botvinnik found that when people could reach the same reward through two paths, they almost always chose the one requiring less mental effort. At first, that seems like a flaw, but what if that instinct is the reason civilization exists at all? Think about every major invention. The wheel replaced carrying, tractors replaced shovels, spreadsheets replaced endless calculations. Every breakthrough had the same hidden purpose: stop repeating work that had already been solved. AI isn't breaking that pattern, it's continuing it. That changes the question completely. The people making money with AI aren't winning because they work less. They're winning because they stop repeating yesterday's work. There's a huge difference, and most people never notice it. Picture two freelancers. One spends 4 hours writing product descriptions by hand. By midnight, they're exhausted but proud of the effort. Another spends an hour designing a prompt and workflow that creates drafts automatically, then edits the best results in minutes. Both deliver value. One rents out time, the other builds a machine that keeps giving time back. Which one do you think scales? Here's the strange part. For years, the second person would have felt guilty, almost as if skipping hard work was cheating. But businesses have never paid for suffering. They pay for outcomes. Effort only looked like the currency because for centuries there was no faster alternative. Research led by Eric Brynjolfsson revealed what happened when thousands of customer support agents started using AI. Productivity jumped, especially among newer workers. AI quietly filled experience gaps that once took years to overcome. That wasn't because beginners suddenly became smarter. They simply stopped wasting effort on problems a machine could already solve. But that still isn't the biggest opportunity. Most people use AI like a faster keyboard. They ask it to write one email, create one image, or summarize one article. Useful? Yes. Transformational? No. The real shift happens when you stop asking, "How can AI help me do this task?" and start asking, "Why am I doing this task more than once?" Imagine pressing one button before bed. While you sleep, a workflow generates product ideas, drafts descriptions, organizes files, and prepares everything for review. You wake up to work that's already waiting. Suddenly, AI isn't helping you work faster. It's working while you're busy living your life. That's the moment almost everyone misses. Automation isn't about removing effort. It's about moving effort to the beginning. Before a workflow saves hundreds of hours, someone has to think deeply once. Which steps repeat? Which decisions truly need a human? Which can happen automatically? Those questions create leverage, and leverage is where real income begins. It's like watching a cyclist coast downhill and deciding bicycles require no pedaling. You only saw the easy part. The climb happened earlier, out of sight. Every successful AI business has its own invisible climb: planning, testing, refining, failing, and improving until repetition disappears. Once you see that pattern, AI headlines stop looking fake. They stop promising effortless money and start revealing something much more believable. The winners aren't avoiding work. They're refusing to solve the same problem twice. So think back to the moment you closed your laptop. Your skepticism wasn't wrong. Easy money usually hides a trap, but the trap was never AI. The trap was believing that value must always rise with effort. For most of history, that was true. Today, technology offers another path. You open the laptop again. The headline hasn't changed, but your perspective has. Making money with AI was never about doing less work. It was about doing the important work once so the future never has to repeat the past.